Your yard deserves more than ordinary. It deserves extraordinary. Today we're going to check out RedDogPlanters and yard art. Located in the heart of Corrales at 3563 Corrales Road, RedDogPlanters and Yard Art is a treasure trove of handcrafted art that is bringing in tradition as well as creativity. From Mexican Talavera to 3D innovated printed planters, Red Dog offers a wide selection of beautiful items that can transform any space into a vibrant oasis. Let's take a little tour of their path and see what we've got. Stroll through the garden trail and discover unique items like Mandala art stones, glass flowers, and whimsical horseshoe art, all crafted to inspire and delight. Red Dog isn't just a store, it's a community hub, a place that celebrates art, nature, and local culture. Let's take a minute to go talk to the owner and find out some more. So thanks for having us over today. Yeah. Appreciate you. So we have a special guest. I'd love to hear more about your mascot.
Yes, this is Sailor May, and she is a red standard poodle, and she is the inspiration of the name RedDogPlanters and Yard Art, and she is just awesome. She is my heart dog for sure, and so I love that she will pose for me if I have new pots or if I have a new art. I will put her by it, and she's just like, okay, how about this? How about this? Yeah, so she's adorable. Yeah, she's a sweet girl.
Hi, princess. Yeah, hello. So I'd love to know a little bit more about what inspired you to start your business and what made you choose Corrales.
All right, so I have been in the medical field for 15 years. And left the medical field because I really wanted to own my own business. I didn't really know what. I kind of thought, coffee, bakery, and I thought, I don't bake, so that's probably not a good idea. And so we lived here, and I thought, you know what, this is a perfect spot. Let's have something here. And I knew I loved gardening and planters, and I thought, this is perfect, we can set this up. So that's how it started, and we started in 2022. So we've had 4 seasons. So we're open April through October, and just bringing color to people's yards is super inspiring and fun.
That's lovely. I mean, you have an amazing lot for it. I mean, you set it up perfectly. So tell me a little bit about some of the art that you have and, where you've brought it in from, and something that people may not know just from driving by or looking at you.
Yeah. So, the art that we have imported art from India, from Mexico, Talavera, Mexican metal art. We've got specialized little indoor kind of art from India, and then we make our own things. So we're very creative, and we love to have fun with new things. And so we started with horseshoe art, we do some glass art, we do some painting of barn quilts. My husband just started some hand-turned custom pens. And so we just love adding, like, okay, what else can we do? What else can we do? What would people like? And we really love having just a variety of things so that we're not just, a desert cactus items for your yard. We also have flowers, or we have stuff for the inside. So we really try to have a nice variety. So whether you're looking for just a gift for somebody, something small, or you want to, decorate your whole yard in metal art, we've got it.
Very nice. So, I mean, being that you live in Corrales and you run a home business, I would say, if you want to share with others, is Corrales a friendly place to have a business that you run from home?
For sure. What I love about this, so my 4th season, what I love is how many repeat customers we get. I really know the Corrales community. I get people and I'm like, oh my gosh, how was your winter? Great, let's catch up. And they're like, oh, I bought a cactus from you last year and an agave from the year before, and now I need to add something else. It's like, I know people. They know me. And I have more repeat customers than I do new customers, which is, awesome to have that personal touch.
Yeah.
And lots of people come and they'll show me pictures. Okay, this is my yard. What do you think? What should I do? Lots of people are tired of planting and then the sun is killing all their plants. And so they're wanting metal art. So I'm like, save your pot. You can still use that pot. Put this, bunch of roses right, metal art roses right into that pot. It's perfect. You don't have to water, so people, I think they love that they get that personal touch when they come here. It's just me. I own it, I run it, I do the inventory, I do everything. And so it's nice knowing that I know who my customers are and they know me.
Well, that helps too. I mean, that you have the vision, because I know what I like when I see it. But for me to go do it myself, I'm like, I don't know where to place it.
Right.
Well, give me some walls to knock down and I've got it.
Right.
Give me something to decorate and I'm like, oh gosh, I need a little support there. So that's awesome. And then tell me a little bit more. Well, I'm gonna actually have you show me some pieces that you guys actually do here in-house. That way people know, for, maybe that want to do a local gift or do something of the sorts, so they know what's your specialty. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Plum. Let's go take a look.
Okay.
So I'd love for you to show me your favorite piece.
Yeah, so my favorite piece that I made is gotta be this mandala art stone. I love making the stones. Each one is completely different. Sometimes I know exactly what I wanna do, and sometimes the stones speak to me. I find a stone and I'm like, I know exactly what I wanna put on this. So when I found this stone, I was like, I definitely need a fish. I've never made a fish before, so this is my first one, and I think it's super cool.
It's very pretty. It reminds me, it seems like the art stone came out a little bit during COVID. We'd go for walks through our little walking trail.
Yes.
And be little,
right.
little art or little, happy or I love you or just special little things. So, it's so beautiful that you've taken something of nature and turned it into something so wonderful.
Thanks. The great thing about these stones, you can have them in your garden. They can be a doorstop. They can be a paperweight. They can go on the shelf in your house. So they're so versatile, and it's nature.
It's awesome. It's beautiful. You're welcome. So tell me a little bit about this piece.
Yeah. So this piece, my husband, this is his first horseshoe sphere. And it's super cool because it has recycled horseshoes in it. It's got new horseshoes in it. And he's a big Disney fan. So he made some hidden Mickey heads in here too, which I haven't found them. I haven't really looked for them, but I know that they're in here. But this is just a super cool piece that is just going to look awesome in somebody's yard.
It's very lovely. So can people request something custom and you guys can build it for them?
Exactly. So he definitely would do custom made spheres, and we can do different sizes as well.
Very nice. That's lovely. I'm going to have to see if I can find a Mickey Mouse. This is Tara Diaz, your local real estate gal. Whether you're looking to move to Corrales or just looking for places to explore, hit like, subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.